or like really dark times. I have two daughters, and so like both, I had postpartum anxiety or depression, and I just think of how faithful God has been through those times and like bringing me out of them.
So grateful, and He is faithful, even on those situations when we don't really deserve it. Join the conversation. It's up on our K-Love Morning Show Facebook page. What is the first thing that comes to mind when you think about God? K-Love.
Hey guys, this is Mac Powell. I'm going to tell you about my new song, New Creation. It comes from one of my favorite scriptures in the Bible, 2 Corinthians 5:17. It says that if anyone is in Christ, they are a new creation. The old is gone, the new has come. I'm a new creation. And that's an amazing promise that we can all cling to and claim today.
Something the other day that might be good for the racecraft. Remember on April Fool's Day, you were talking about quitting?
Yeah.
He thinks he's got the perfect job for you.
And what's that?
The Unical guy.
The Unical guy.
Yeah, Bill Broderick, the guy in Victory Lane with the hat,
Well,
the
sure.
hat guy.
Yeah.
You'd be perfect for this job. Would you like to hear the top 10 reasons why?
Okay.
Well, stand by with that drum roll and fanfare. I think you're going to like this one, right?
Okay.
Here we go. From the home office at Red Hot Time Incorporated, the top 10 reasons Jimbo should be the next Unical guy. Number 10, hiring obviously not based on good looks or intelligence. Number 9, lots of TV time without actually having to be entertaining. Number 8, only have to work one day a week. Number 7, already perfected the essential chuckling like an idiot while doing next to nothing skills. Number 6, you'd be able to get into the pit area without having to resort to dressing up like Jimmy Spencer. Number 5, Unical girls much less likely to pepper spray you if you actually work for their company. Number 4, release of that tutu picture makes getting in the winner's circle by being voted Miss Winston extremely unlikely. Number 3, 2 words, free hats. Number 2, would clear the decks for the long-awaited premiere of the Lunch Menu Man and Bobby show. And the number 1 reason Jimbo should be the next Unical guy, finally get to see what standing in Victory Lane feels like.
That's some pretty good stuff. Sherman's coming along.
You know what they say, the cream rises to the top.
Yeah.
And lucky for you guys, so does the scum. Are you going to see Goober later on?
Goober.
Oh, sorry, wrong bit. He's going to let the Bobby.
That's Bentley.
Oh yeah, good time, good memory. All right, well let's play wordy word, y'all. 1-800-BIG SHOW, you toll-free line. We'll get a couple contestants and play next.